Hey guys, it's Risa. How are you? I hope you're doing great. I just wanted to say that I've started my new YouTube channel, Risa's Recipes. Have you subscribed? I hope so. If you're watching this on Facebook, the link will be in the comments. And if you're watching this on YouTube, the link will be in the description. So please subscribe. Tell anybody on a journey. It doesn't have to be a person that's just on WW, Wellness That Works, because I share lots of really good tips, strategies, recipes, grocery shopping, meal prep, meal planning, ideas that can be for anybody on a health journey, okay? So again, Risa's Recipes. Don't forget, so you'll learn how to make all my delicious stuff and listen to my journey, the things that I've gone through that I hope that I can pay forward to help you guys on your journey, okay? So take care, and I can't wait to hear from you. Bye for now.